way, my country people. He don't bust again. He don't scatter. Make una carry on a joko, test it down. Come listen to this one. No, not be small matter. Popular that DGO, aka Apostle Dr Kassy Chukwu, the lion fire, the old firewood, where as not they feed the break. Akara war. My country people, not be small matter, not be small thing. Now social media president, now they supposed to give Apostle Dr Kassy, not be small thing. Another one don't still happen again. Before we go touch like this matter, my first greet una on a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, based on where you are watching me from. If you're a returning subscriber, may God bless you. And if now your first time when you take it across this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Guys, let's go straight to the point. My people, not be small matter, not be small thing. This update so Apostle Dr Kassy don't drag Muareen Badejo come out over the loss of court appeal when you get with this man of God Olukoya. Something like that. If I not pronounce am well, make una no mind me. No be small thing, no be small gbasgboso. No be waiting I go use my mouth stay talk finish. Ma leave una make una for watch this video. Why I go see una ending of this video.
The apostle himself, see as you soft. Waiting be the update now, beg give us update.
No update, no update.
Papa begging, no Jesus. Update. See how you soft finish. I beg give us update. I beg.
Give any update.
Baba, I beg at all. Any just be.
I want study my Bible.
I know say you want study Bible. Please, don't throw away and give us because you they make, once you throw away our body they make cool. Oh. Papa, I beg.
You sure say you want your?
I want feel I want feel Jesus.
You don't know what did happen.
Baba, hear me, sir.
Olukoya. We Muareen Badejo for Lord of our Peacock.
Jehovah, tell us something. Sure. Una dey feel am?
You know, when Olukoya fair winner, they call charger. If you convert the currency to Nigerian currency, they call charger. How the money together was 60 million naira. That time, oh,
Jehovah,
currency never high.
Oh, Bob,
now
tell me something.
The matter go appeal.
Hey,
I go win Olukoya. You know Olukoya.
I know that. Yeah.
Now you can Olukoya go appeal court. Now Olukoya go winner. Nah. You don't say pass don't high.
Hey, that's
say make you go pay the money.
Jesus, yeah, you good for that.
Now when we come convert the money, come be 90-something million.
Oku. Ekwele tutu. Who be this?
Shey you want your update?
I don't tell me. I beg. Okay, Jehovah.
You know, Muareen Badejo is a bad woman.
Just tell me. Can you imagine?
Bad woman. This I go meet a husband. People for Lagos.
Yes, sir.
Now they say make I tell them, say me you know they answer the husband name again.
Bam!
Because you know they married the man again.
Okay now.
I see Mr. Badejo.
Oh.
The man that they call Badejo
himself.
I see him. Now they want say, you know they marry Muareen again. No, you don't know why Muareen see they answer his name.
Bad market. Bad market.
That girl they call Muareen.
Now God go judge him.
Make I give you update.
Give us update. You don't tell just wait make I hear from you. Hey, Dr Kassy.
You know the meaning. You know the meaning of Muareen.
Mbano. Now one know so.
Muareen mean bitterness.
Oh, careful.
That's why anything which they do, she know they happy with anybody.
Ukumewe.
Mama we born now. When I call the ask go the village, call the ask question. They say now for a shower house. Nay. Therefore,
Muareen.
Give
me update. As I did, I want to feel like I bet Papa.
The mother of Muareen, very stupid man.
Amen.
Very
I believe you.
He go and shower house, go get belly of this girl when they call Muareen. This girl.
See name.
He call.
Just name don't be. He just they draw like Ogbolo.
You know, even the matters that they talk to you so. The matter so. Now so the same character, and I take carry. He dey misbehave. He dey do the same thing way him mama dey do.
Where do we no favor him?
Where no favor him.
He can't continue.
Now he can't continue.
See him? You see him? Doing one particular thing to expect this different result. Now madness now.
Muareen.
I beg give us update.
Anybody where they follow Muareen,
hey,
just come out.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Anybody where they follow Muareen, make it dey careful because right now, Olukoya don't say make it pay. The money now for Nigerian currency is 90 million.
Oh, careful.
He gonna try Martin of Fire. That man they pray.
Die. Now die just get now. Now die just get now.
You got to Olukoya. Olukoya pray for that. Bring I want to Olukoya.
Okay.
Pastor DK Olukoya.
Yes, sir.
I beg. If me you no go get problem, say I need that for you, Papa. If me you no go get problem, not leave that money for Mori.
Amen.
Mori must pay that.
Yes,
money.
that's so.
Mori, that 90 million.
60% amen.
Na church, she want to fight.
God go fight him.
Papa Olukoya, I beg you, I beg.
Including all of us, we don't need that.
Money for Mori.
We don't need that. You're too much.
Since when Suleiman frustrate her, you know, she come back, come up for the store. I'm talking about this game, Mori. This girl, they call Mori Badejo.
Why they call it? No, they call that name again. Just call her.
People say, man, no, they call her.
Call her Muareen Badejo. Muareen Badejo.
They say he know their husband as again. So why they see the beer, the husband name? That woman frustrate the man.
You know, go finish. Feed do that. I can't defend. Say na church you want face. Thunder go fire am.
You know, say I can't go when I reach Lagos. Now the man can't tell me many story. If you see the man, I can't pity the man.
Ew.
Even as I talk, so I promise the man say I want to do money raising, just support her because that man need help.
Can you imagine?
Because before Mori run, leave that man for Nigeria, he finished that man.
Wreck and down.
Oh, this girl they come Mori. This girl.
Now you be this.
Mori.
Devil they fear that girl.
And they can't even tell me say na hereditary. So she inherit them. So you think their family blood. Say this Mori where they see so that spirit of destroying home, they have blood.
Can you imagine? And she no fit pray. You go to that church you want face. Can you imagine?
Now look where I give her party. He means Suleiman.
Bam.
Suleiman Naka office.
Yes.
Now I know if they pay workers again.
Give us something.
This girl they call Moriso. He gonna do kitty give Olukoya. Now Olukoya Naka. Olukoya where they pray for more.
God wait. He no even the fear. He no even see person they even they talk to.
Now church that girl they fight to. This girl they come Mori.
If devil they pursue person, go don't go meet God though. Don't say that God they pursue you. Who you will go meet? This Muareen. Mba, your own fire, devil go give you firewood, you go do your own.
Muareen, my man, a very stupid woman.
Capital one.
Very useless.
Very.
How that woman go carry belle for his hotel. For a shower quarter. Now they get this Muareen belle so. When they tell me the story, how you go get belle? Very stupid girl. That Muareen mother. Very stupid woman. The woman I Ejiofor.
Senior one, capital Ejiofor. Always about it.
You go get Muareen belle. Now the cost now they follow Muareen.
I know Pama. Two person.
They don't tell me. They say I tell everybody say make them know they call them this thing. But you know me, I be person will get sympathy.
Yeah, I believe you.
So what you go happen be say I want beg Nigerians. I beg make we support Muareen. Because that 90 million, I don't know where Muareen go for. See 90 million.
He go die. Make it die. I mean, if I make use of blood. No, he want too much. Why if I go to fight pastor?
No, we are Christian. But she go pay the money.
Why go to fight pastor?
No, we go donate for him. You know, it's sorry for the man. Apostle Suleiman, this and this. I know as I talk now, they talk say he win Apostle Suleiman for court. No, that is what we call injunction.
Bam.
Court injunction.
Bam. Oh, you know, subsection 1 and 4.
Because the Apostle Suleiman members of London go court, go talk, say, may the third woman may know they talk about their pastor. Now the lawyer say, no, for London, they get freedom of speech. May they let her they talk. You know for London, if they want frustrate you, they talk, but you go talk, they go put you for trouble. As you take go put it back for trouble, look.
Now what? God too much.
Like
the hammer.
That the only make he pay.
Yes.
Convert to Nigerian currency. 90 million. You will collect this money. Olukoya, you must collect this money. So while we are preparing to pay Olukoya, please, I beg. Who want to donate money for Muareen Badejo now 90 million. That girl Muareen stupid. You see problem when you come with
you see
now me want to call Facebook or the tape follow me money man give you.
Imagine. Now they scatter data. They do everything.
So just Suleiman, please sir, please Papa. If na 20 million help Muareen inside. I will send my account sir. I beg viewers that is watching.
Yes.
We need to help Muareen. Olukoya want to kill Muareen.
Yes,
He want to kill Muareen in London. He don't win Muareen for a big cause.
Bam.
Oh.
Not to me, huh?
If I read what they do Muareen,
Hey.
make I show you some
Okay, sir. Okay.
We go shock you. This kind of thing. Olukoya. That man where they pray. Muareen, this girl.
You don't even fear.
I don't want this girl every time.
You no fear.
Muareen stay one place. Muareen stay one place.
He say no.
Muareen no dey agree.
Ukunaga
He
wam.
no dey agree.
Ukunawa wam.
He no dey agree. Muareen stay one. Muareen say no. He no stay one place. He dey talk. He go try Olukoya of Martin of Fire.
Fire.
Naka 10 million.
Okutuku.
I beg my people, we make we help Muareen. I beg, we just inbox me, DM me. Anything where you feel contribute, I beg, let's do full go fundraising. But I don't get go fund account. I don't get go fund account. My personal account now I use.
Yes, so.
My personal account. I must cash out for this Muareen.
Bam.
Now be the update to a day.
I hear you, sir.
Update to a day.
I believe you say you must get.
Don't lose.
He must continue to lose.
He lose court case for a
Yes, so.
When I clean this.
I beg, clean am. It's not easy. Only cause all this thing.
Muareen.
Even when they talk, they never chop because they make me the.
I use God beg you now. More help Muareen. Muareen don't enter problem. More beg Muareen. Not say by the touch on that.
See, Anna.
No, me say na court if for lose now. They don't fair win her for court. She can't carry the matter go appeal. They can't win her for appeal. Then the land say now you will pay 90 million.
Nana call the rock kitty, the rock kata kata.
Olukoya.
Hey.
Oluk man, is that tortura?
Baba, I beg you. All of us, I need that no.
Olukoya beg. Collect that money, oh. Now
No.
somebody they invest me.
And if you
you
invest-
don't collect that money, get woman where they fight church. You don't know what that woman talk about you. That woman, now say they spoil your day, they spoil your day, they spoil your day for social media. He said nothing they happen. Hey, this and this. Hey, I saw this one be like this. Collect that money, oh.
Bam.
Don't let her go anywhere.
Because if we divest, we they know.
Yes, we don't know.
We they know if we divest.
I beg, I want beg Apostle Suleiman, my need take Apostle Suleiman. I beg, Muareen, I know, no.
Say fuck
That's
up.
small pikin they want Muareen. Muareen na small girl now.
More.
I beg, Papa, if na 20 million, I beg. I know you can't do it.
Ayo, Baba.
Muareen, now you make me the leader, they beg.
Papa, you two get soft mind.
I don't want forgiver.
You two get soft now, but what did that girl do?
If I talk to that small girl,
You don't go here.
you go rock it, kata, really kata.
They turn up and down.
I don't know what the warrior.
See, Anna.
Come close, may I Apostle
Daddy.
for hear me. Daddy, I beg 20 million, please, sir. Let me send my account. Let's help this Muareen. She's suffering. You know, say, Papa, you drive and come up for here for the work, all the workers. You know, they pay, they don't drive all the workers. And almost every week, I tell you, send them 5K.
If we gather that money, nowhere don't go.
Yes. And right now, the best way she see buy, she want to go sell her. Papa, I beg. Viewers all over the world, I beg. More we help Muareen. Please DM me. Let me send you my account.
I beg.
Let me the update.
People not be smart, you know. Wahala plenty, wahala day. Apostle Dr Kassy don't drag Muareen Badejo not be smart. He say me online in-law may they come out to come they donate money for Muareen Badejo. Say this man of God, Pastor Olukoya, Martin of Fire pastor. He say he don't win Muareen Badejo. Say money when they build Muareen Badejo, say no be small money. May online people may they come they contribute money for Muareen Badejo. My people not be small matter. No be small thing. Wait on a reason for this matter. Make una leave on a opinion on the comment section down there. Make una leave on our opinion. Now yeah, now I want for leave on a. Thank you guys for watching, and I so much appreciate you all. Bye bye everyone. Ciao ciao.